Hello friends, welcome to Crazy for Health. Summers have kicked in and so have mangoes. So today we'll be making yogurt and mango parfaits. Parfaits are a combination of yogurt, fruits and nuts. So if you like this video, please be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss a healthy recipe with me again. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
We'll start the recipe by taking 1 cup of plain yogurt in a bowl and we'll be whisking it till it becomes smooth and creamy in texture. This generally takes around 2 minutes to do the same. Once done, we'll be adding in 2 teaspoons of honey for sweetness. And a few drops of either vanilla or ice cream essence. Now mix this well and your parfait base is ready. Now for this recipe, I have just used 1 chopped mango, but you can use any fruits of your choice, but make sure they are not very sour. So we need the yogurt mixture, a few chopped walnuts and cashews and mango. Now in a glass, first pour in the yogurt mixture. Add in the chopped mangoes. And the nuts. Now we'll be repeating this step twice to make uniform layers. Finish it off with chopped cashews, walnuts, and your parfait is now ready to serve.